Do you like cleaning the house?
Not really, but I love having a clean house.
I think many people feel the same way.
Exactly. Cleaning is not always fun, but it feels great when everything is clean.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, you will listen to a simple and natural English conversation about cleaning the house.
This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills naturally and easily. So, are you ready to clean the house today?
Yes, I am. The house really needs some cleaning.
I agree. The living room is a little messy.
Yes, there are books, clothes, and some cups on the table.
Let's start with the living room.
Good idea. I'll pick up the clothes.
And I'll clean the table.
Should we open the windows?
Yes, it will let some fresh air in.
Great. The room already feels better.
Can you put those books on the shelf?
Sure. Where should I put these magazines?
Put them on the small table.
Okay. What about these pillows?
Put them back on the sofa.
Done.
Nice. Now we need to vacuum the floor.
I'll do it.
Thanks. Don't forget to clean under the sofa.
Oh, you're right. There's a lot of dust under here.
Really?
Yes, look at this.
Wow, we definitely need to clean more often.
I agree. Maybe once a week.
The living room looks much better now.
Yes. What should we clean next?
Let's clean the kitchen.
Good idea. There are a lot of dishes in the sink.
I'll wash the dishes.
And I'll wipe the kitchen counter.
Sounds good.
Should I clean the refrigerator too?
Yes, but let's do that later.
Okay, I don't want to spend all day cleaning.
Me neither.
The kitchen counter is clean now.
Great, it looks much better.
What about the bedroom?
We should clean it too.
I'll make the bed.
I'll fold the clothes.
There are so many clothes.
I know, we need to organize the closet.
Maybe we can do that tomorrow.
That's fair.
The bed looks nice now.
Yes, a clean bedroom makes it easier to relax.
And it feels good to sleep in a clean room.
I think we're almost finished.
Really? That was faster than I expected.
Teamwork makes cleaning easier.
That's true.
Let's take out the trash.
I'll do it.
Thanks.
No problem.
Wow, the whole house looks clean now.
Yes, I really like it.
Are you tired?
A little, but I'm happy.
Me too. Now we can sit down and relax.
And maybe have a cup of coffee?
Absolutely.
Haha, that's the best part.
What part of the house do you clean most often?
The kitchen, the bedroom, or the living room?
Let us know in the comments.
And keep practicing your English every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.